Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here they given sulfur hexachloride SF6. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So sulfur valence is 6, fluorine atom is 6. So the steric number will be 6 plus 6 by 2, which gives 6 there. So H will be 6, and you should find the lone pair, which is H minus B, which is 0. H6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which is octahedral geometry. You can see sulfur on the middle and all 6 fluorine atom in the axial position. You can understand it better by animation. So the shape of SF6 is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.